What's up, everybody? You are live with Jonathan Manus, aka the One Leg Bandit. And look, today we are going to talk about your 2023 goals and dreams. And we're going to reach all of our goals and dreams in 2023. I've got the Shelby GT500 here behind me. Everybody that knows me knows that I am a Shelby man. I love Shelbys. I just love their power, top end. But look, something that motivates me is Shelby's. All right. That's the reason why I got a picture of one behind me here. But everybody has to have something that motivates you to keep you on the grind, to keep you reaching for your goal every single day. You know, in federal contracting, my main gig here, what I've been training people over for the last decade, federal contracting is not an instant gratification. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 years to fulfill a contract and actually land and, install and get paid on a contract that takes years to implement. It takes determination and the ability to see the long game. And what I've always tried to teach people in cryptocurrency is you have to look past tomorrow. You have to look past 1 month. When you're buying today, I buy for 2 reasons. Either it's completely oversold and I know that I'm getting a good deal, or at least I feel that way. You never know anything in cryptocurrency. Or you know that how you feel about your project, and that's where you can do the most damage. Because if you really do your due diligence on your project, no matter what project it is, you know the type of people that's running it, you know how hard the team works, how strong the community is, and that takes away a lot of the X factors that helps you get to your overall success. Now, let's start with Shiba Inu. Their community, unstoppable. We are unstoppable. We're continuing to grow by 10 to 20,000 holders per week. And when Shibarium releases and all the burns kick into effect, everybody will be kicking themselves, wishing that they would have gotten a million SHIB for $8. I mean, it's just going to blow people's mind once we start burning this supply down. So there's so many X factors with Shiba Inu that makes me feel good about any purchases right now. Anytime there's a 10 or 15% dip for no reason, I'm buying. I'm adding to my bag. I have billions of SHIB, and I'm so thankful that I do. I'm locked and loaded for the next run. I've already hit the first run, but I'm locked and loaded for the next run because the next run is going to be where things get really sweet, especially with some of the other tokens in the community like Bone and Leash. Okay, there's only 107,000 Leash in existence. Okay, it's going to be the store of wealth and the kind of the frontline pass for Shiba Inu community. So I'm letting you know, in my opinion, Leash is going to be way higher than any $300. I'm thinking in the thousands easily per Leash as we get going here. Hopefully it takes off like Bitcoin did. Bone is the fuel for the whole Shibarium network. I feel great upside. I feel once it hits maybe Binance, we shoot up to $3 to $5. Once Shibarium goes live, there's no telling where Bone goes to. Okay, so my goals are straight with the Shiba Inu community. I want to have as much as possible for when this thing is ready to go. So I'm preparing now for when that happens. Okay, now let's talk about ClearCryptos. They have the people in mind. They put together a team. If you go to clearcryptos.com and look at the board of directors, it's laid out. Everything is so transparent for ClearCryptos. They put together a team to make it where everybody in the world can be a part of decentralization and have the same tools that as if you had a centralized exchange. That right there is a key thing. Not to mention they're giving back for rewarding people for just holding their tokens. They're just a great team with big plans. Okay, these are big thinkers. They're not thinking about today. They're thinking about where they're going to be down the road. And I'm letting you know the Web3 implementation, business, all the things that are coming together. ClearCryptos is something you definitely have to check out. And moving forward, there's a lot of hype behind Polygon. Okay, any projects that are hopping on Polygon right now, the transaction fees are low. Look for Polygon to really scream the next run. I really want you to take a good look at Polygon and all the different things that go with it. For example, Jedstar and Cred just moved over to Polygon, and they're going to be just game changers. Please check out jedstar.com. If you haven't ever seen Jedstar, you have to check that out. But as we get ready to roll here into 2023, with my continued growth and with everything that we've done together, I just want you to remember to keep your eyes on the prize. Go run down what you want. You only have one life to live. You have to live it. You have to fight every day, and you have to protect what you have earned and continue to make smart choices. All right. Stay patient. Be diligent with what you do, but also don't be afraid. If something's way oversold and you know it's way oversold and it's sold off in 2 hours, if you look at it and you make sure that nothing is completely tanked, it's just a market reaction, jump in there and grab that 20% that people are giving away, that market movers are just giving away to people who are standing by there ready to snatch on. That's the one thing I've learned. You don't buy all the time, but when things are dipping like crazy for no reason at all, you jump on that. Those trades has been the most successful for me over the last year. Well, I'm looking forward to growing with you. Please subscribe to the One Leg Bandit. I'm on my journey to 20,000 subscribers. I wanted to get there before the end of this year. Probably won't. I'm getting close. I got 16,500. And next year, my goal is 50,000 subscribers. So that's what I'm going to get to. I'm going to continue to grow and continue to push hard for everyone. I've always worked so hard for people in the federal contracting arena with cryptocurrency. No matter what, the One Leg Bandit has been for the people. I have found out in my life, the harder you work for other people, the easier things get for you. And that's a fact. All right. So I hope you all have a beautiful night with your family. Get ready to bring in 2023 and grind it. 2023, we do not stop. We push it. We take it as far as we can take it and further than you can ever imagine. And you will end up very, very successful that way. Hope you all have a wonderful night. The One Leg Bandit is out.